So bad, my so real. I ride in some big tall hills, big fat checks, big large bills. Run out flip like 10 car wheels. Hold that, give raw chills. 10 different looks and my looks so kill. I kiss him in the mouth, I feel all grills. Heat in the car, that's on some wheels.
You make it jump.
What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Leanne, and you're watching Life Uncut. My name is Leanne. If you're new to my channel, please make sure you subscribe down below and join the KUWO Nation as well as Raw Gang. Thank you very much. I did ask on Instagram if I should do makeup on IG clips or if I should do them on YouTube, and a lot of you guys voted for YouTube. And then I also asked what videos do you guys want to see, and a lot of people kept saying makeup. So I decided to do a makeup look. I was inspired honestly by Cardi B, the Money song. I've been listening to that song non-stop. And what color is money? Green, duh. So I was like, let me just do that. And my burn book came right in clutch. So I did the blue eyeshadow look on my Instagram. If you're not following me on Instagram, you should do that. It is leanne.m. And I had also seen this green color, which is like, it's a green glitter with gold and yellow undertones, and I was like, I want to do a look. So I had got inspired by that and the song, and I was like, this is what I came up with, and this is what y'all be seeing in the video. Before we jump into the video, make sure that you subscribe down below if you haven't already. Make sure you also hit that bell notification so that you guys get notified when I post my videos. Make sure you tell a friend to tell a friend. But enough of me rambling on. Let's just get straight into the video. So yeah, guys, I did do one eye off of camera because I did know what colors I wanted to use, but I didn't know what kind of look I wanted to do. So I was like, let me test it off of camera. This isn't gonna be a voiceover because I don't have the right microphone for a voiceover. I'm waiting to write the correct microphone before I start doing voiceovers. So I'm just gonna be in and out explaining things because I do want to listen to music and I don't want to get copyrighted. So right now I am going to take some taper and just put it on the corner of my eye. So what I'm first gonna use is the NYX Dark Circle Concealer. As you guys can see, I do have dark eyes thanks from my father's side of the family, unfortunately. Now I'm gonna take the LA Girl Pro Concealer HD in the shade Yellow Corrector. I like this shade as a base for my shadow. Here is a tip for all my ladies. When doing colored eyeshadow, I do not set my eye. So usually when I used to do my makeup, I would put concealer on my eyelid and set it with a setting powder like Laura Mercier, Airspun translucent powder, any type of powder to set the concealer so it won't crease. But I got a tip from actually Daisy Marquez on YouTube. She's a beauty influencer. She actually said not to set your concealer and you'll see the difference of the colors popping more. So for this look, I'm going to use the Morphe 35B palette. Good tag. And then this one wanted to break. Whatever. Then I'm going to take this blending brush from Eco Tools. It's just a small. And I'm going to take this yellow shade and just have this yellow shade as my transition color.
So bad, my so real. I ride in some big tall hills, big fat checks, big large bills. Run out flip like 10 car wheels. Hold that, give raw chills. 10 different looks and my looks so kill. I kiss him in the mouth, I feel all grills. Heat in the car, that's on some wheels.
Okay. I'm gonna use the next shade that I'm gonna use is this color right here, and I'm taking an Anastasia Beverly Hills little brush. You know how Anastasia Beverly Hills have palettes like, let me show you. Their palettes come like this. This is one of the palettes, and they have these little brushes. And I feel like these brushes come in clutch. And I'm going to blend the green right under the yellow. After I blend the green under the yellow, I'm gonna keep going back into the transition shade to make sure I don't lose the transition shade while I'm blending all the colors together. I'm now gonna take a big fluffy brush that has no product on it and just make sure I am blending everything together. Okay, I'm gonna take this flat brush and it's from Circa, and I am going to take this color right here, and I kind of wanted to do a halo eye, which is where you add product on the inner corner and outer corner, and the inside of your eye is a shade, a shimmer, anything like that. So what I'm gonna do is take this color and apply it to my inner corner, my outer corner, and my inner corner. Going back with the yellow to make sure I don't lose the transition color, and then going back with the first green I used to make sure that I don't lose it with dark shades. That's a tip for my ladies. If you start off with light shades and you start adding dark shades, please remember to always revive the light colors, because the dark colors are going to overpower and you can actually lose the transition colors and all the light colors in the process of adding dark colors. Switch palettes, and now I'm using the Jaclyn Hill palette. This is my baby. I love this shit so much. And I am going to take this Hunter Army dark green right here. I'm going to put this on top of the other green that we used and put it inside my inner corner and my outer corner as well.
Give raw chills, 10 different looks, and my looks so kill. I kiss him in the mouth, I feel all grills. Eat in the car, that's your song wheels.
I am gonna take my LA Girl Pro concealer that I set my eyes with for my base, and I am going to put it in the middle of my eye. And for those of you who don't know, I have hooded eyelids, which means it's really hard to do cut creases. A trick that I've also learned is for hooded eyes, you just add the concealer on your eye and literally look up, and then when you close your eyes, you see that's technically where a cut crease will be at. But we're not doing a cut crease, we're doing a halo eye. Now that that is done, I am going to take my burn book that I got for Christmas. I'm gonna take my NYX Dewy Finish spray, just spray that. And I'm going to take the shade Gruel from the palette. I'm gonna move the mirror. Gruel from the palette, which as you can see, I did a wing eyeliner on this eye, but I suck at wing eyeliners. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. Like, I don't suck, but wing eyeliner is not my cup of tea. But I felt like, hey, let me do a wing eyeliner today. So I am gonna do that off of camera, because I cannot teach you guys how to do a wing eyeliner until I master it myself. But I am going to use the Super Cat Liquid Black Eyeliner pen from Soap and Glory. Now I'm just going to prep my eyelashes for falsies, and I'm using the Ardell Glamour Multi-Pack lashes with the style 105. So now that we are I just finished putting the eyelashes on, I am gonna go on my face, and then I am going to go back to my eyes. It's just something I always do. For my face to moisturize, I'm gonna use this makeup oil by Milk. Use my e.l.f. primer. This primer for a drugstore primer, like, this primer needs to be high end. This primer is phenomenal, like phenomenal. So for tutorials that I do, that I'm just like doing a tutorial for you guys and then I end up taking a shower and taking it off, I don't use my high-end foundation because that is a waste. I use my high-end foundation when I go out. So I am going to use my Milani Conceal and Perfect foundation. I have 06 Sand Beige and 07 Sand. I mix these together to get the perfect tone. But before I do that, I'm going to take the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector. It's like a luminaire from Becca Cosmetics, and I'm just gonna rub that in my face. Do you guys see that? I just take my beauty blender that is washed and damp and blend it out.
Run out, flip like 10 car wheels. Hold that, give raw chills. 10 different looks, and my look so kill. I kiss him in the mouth, I feel all grills. Heat in the car, that's on some wheels.
Can you make it jump? Can you make it jump? Ladies, this is what I need you to do for me right now. I got pants in the coop. Touch me, I'll shoot. I got pants in the coop. Bustin' out the roof. I got pants in the coop.
Y'all see that? Do you see? So yeah guys, this is the finished look. I will insert pictures or zoom in clips, either or, of how the look did come out overall, because the lighting, when you move close, it ends up messing it up. Hope you guys like this video. If you do like videos like this, and like this video especially, please give it a thumbs up so that I know to make more videos, more makeup videos. I didn't want to do a voiceover. I just wanted to like jump right into it. Make sure you subscribe down below, as well as hitting that notification bell right next to it so that you guys get notified when I post my videos. Make sure you join the KUWO Nation. Make sure you're joining Raw Gang. Snapchat and Instagram is leanne.m. Make sure you guys do look at my last 4 videos. I will link them in the description box down below. Make sure you guys are liking those videos as well if you haven't already. And I don't think I have anything else to say. We enjoyed this video, and until next time, bye.